The sixth tip is now about the solar panel capacity. In order to get the best water output in any conditions, it is important that you choose solar panel with enough capacity. The sunlight pump can get up to 500 watts. So you can choose 1 or 2 solar panels to reach that capacity. In our case, we have two 2200 watt solar panel connected in series. So we reach 400 watts, which is not bad, but we could even have a bigger solar panel, for example 460 watt or even 500, and get more energy for the 0.5 sunlight pump. The important is to not exceed also the 62 volt limit, but always trying to be close so you get the highest input power available.